Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Let us solve another problem. That is another problem on patterns. So now the problem is write a program to print the following rectangle pattern. So what is the input? Input is 5. So we are printing 5, 4, 3, 2 star 5, 4, 3 star 1 5, 4 star 2, 1 5 star 3, 2, 1 star 4, 3, 2, 1. So what we are doing, we're just printing 5, 4, 3. We're just printing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In place of 1, at the first time I'm printing star. After that, again printing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But in place of 2, I'm just printing star. So what it will be, so let us see how many lines it was. Whenever the input was 5, then I need to print 5 values in each and every time. And how many rows I want to print? I want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly 5 rows I need to print and 5 columns as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns as well. So let me print 5 rows at first. So to print 5 rows, I need to use a for loop to print 5 rows. So for each row in range of 5, because 5 is my n value, so I need to iterate over 5 times to print 5 values. Let me say my n value as 5 only. So to iterate over 5 times, first to print first line, second to print second line, third to print third, fourth to fifth to print fourth line, to print fifth line, I need to iterate total 5 times. So to iterate over 5 times, I need to use a for loop to iterate over 5 times. After that, each and every time, how many values I need to print? Each and every time, I need to print again 5 values. So in generalized way, n. So each and every time, how many times I need to iterate again? To print 5 values, I need to iterate again 5 times. So to iterate again in each row, to iterate again 5 times, I need to use again for loop to print each column in range of n, because to iterate over 5 times I need to iterate over n, because my n is 5, right? So okay, now so for each and every time, what I need to print? I need to print, for the first time I need to print 5, second time I need to print 4, then 3, and then 2, and then 1. So for the first time I need to print 5, which is nothing but n value. And the second time I need to print 4, which is what, n minus 1 value. And third time I need to print 3, which is nothing but n minus 2 value. In similar fashion, I need to print till where I need to print? I need to print till 1, which is nothing but first value. And then I need to stop. 2 I need to print, that is second value, last second value. And then I need to print again in place of 1, what I need to print? Star I need to print, that is the first place value. So now let us see how to print this. So to print this, let me print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 at first. So to print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how do I get 5? from where I need to start? I need to start at 5 and print till where I need to print. I need to print till 0. That means up to 1 I need to print. So I want to stop at where 0. So what is my stop? My stop is 0. Okay. So each and every time, which step, how much I want, I'm increasing from 5, I'm moving to 4. So from each and every time, my step got increased by -1. So my step got increased by -1. So if I got moved to 4, whenever I'm increasing my step by 1, 4 got again moved to 3. Whenever I increasing my step by -1 and my 3 got increased to 2. Whenever I'm increasing, I'm adding my value with my step. So to generate the sequence, what I need to do, sir? I need to use a range function. Range function. So first I need to provide my start, which is nothing but n. So first I need to provide my start, which is nothing but n. So n will be provided here, and then stop. Where do we stop? At 0, I need to stop. What is the step? -1. So this will generate me the sequence. So let us copy this and let us to write the same thing in the inner for loop to generate that sequence. So I just provide that range because to generate that sequence n comma 0 comma -1. So it will provide me that sequence range. So for each row, I want to move from 1 till n plus 1. That is nothing but 1 till 5, 1 till 6. So whenever input is 5, I need to move till first row. From first row till fifth row, I need to print. So for each and every time, I need to print n number of times. So I'm just moving from 1 till n. 1 till n plus 1, which indicates 1 till n values will be generated and assigned for row, and each and every time until one value will be again generated and printed for column. So what I need to do, I need to print. So I need to print my column value because it is assigned to column, right? So what is the space between each and every element of column? The space between each and every element of column is empty space. So to write that empty space, we need to use an end parameter, which is nothing but an empty space. So that end parameter is used for providing the end of the given print. I just pasted my code in my IDE. So here you can see for each and every column, for each and every column, the element between column elements. How my column elements are separated by using an empty by using an empty string, they are separated. So you can see I want to print an empty string between my column elements, right? So I'm just printing an empty element. After printing my whole column, after printing my whole column, do I need to enter into new line? Yeah. So to enter into new line, I need to print an end is equals to, I need to specify end is new line. Now the end is new line. So it will enter into new line. Again, it will print my column values, that is 5 till 1. So let us check. 5 times it was printing, 5 rows it was printing my column values, that is 5 till 1. 5 to 0, 5 till 0, that is nothing but 5 till 1. So let me provide my input as 5. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly 5 rows got printed. Each and every time my column values are printed by empty separation, empty string separation. You can see end is empty thing. So, but whatever we need, what do we need? We need to print star at 1. Whenever I'm printing my first row I'm printing, I need to print star at column value is 1. In second row, I need to print star at column value is 2. In third row, I need to print star at column value is 3. In fourth row, I need to print my star at column value 4. In fifth row, I need to print my star at column value is 5. So to print that, I need to check if my column is same as my row. If my column is same as my row, then what I need to print? I need to print just a star. I need to print just a star. And then end is what? End is nothing but same, an empty thing. In the else case, I need to print what? In the else case, I need to print my column value only. So let us run and check whether it is working correctly or not. Let me provide 5 as my input. So you can see, you can analyze. Now my star got printed at first row, first column value. Whenever column value is 1, at that place my first star got printed. In the similar way, second star got printed at 2 value of my column. So how we expect in that way my output got printed. So in this way you have to analyze and check how we are printing the values. So I hope this video is understanding to you. Please try to practice this video, practice this question. I try to provide this code in description or else in first comment under. So please try to solve this problem without watching the solution, just by using the algorithm. And if you break at any moment, then try to watch the video once again so that you can able to find where you struck and you can able to resolve your issue. So I hope this video is understanding to you. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to get the latest updates. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching again. Must practice.